Good morning, all of you. Today's class we are going to discuss about MCQs related to infertility and STD from the chapter number 4, reproductive health. So let us start. First one, the technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT is recommended for those females. The technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, is recommended for those females. So go through the options. Who are cervical canal is too narrow to allow passes from the sperms. Who cannot provide a suitable environment for fertilization. And who cannot produce an ovum. And who cannot retain the fetus inside uterus. So GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer, as discussed earlier, gametes are directly transferred into fallopian tube. So gametes means what? Both ova and sperms, along with sperms also. For whom, what type of the people GIFT are recommended? So the female unable to produce ova, the unable to produce ovum from their ovaries. Is there any infection is takes place, defect is takes place in the region of ovaries? So for that type of the females are recommended for GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer. So who are cervical canal and remaining all are only ovaries are problem and remaining fallopian tube, uterus and cervix is normal healthy condition. So here who are cervical canal is too narrow to allow passes for the sperms. Wrong. Who cannot provide suitable environment for fertilization? No, fallopian tube is normal. And who cannot produce ovum? Yes. And who cannot retain the fetus inside the uterus? Who cannot produce an ovum? So those people are cannot produce ovum, unable to produce ovum. Why? Because of there is infection in the region of ovaries, right? So option third is the answer. Question number 2. Second question. To form embryo in vitro, the male gamete is transferred into female gamete directly. Such a technique is called. To form embryo in vitro. In vitro means what? Outside the body or inside the body? Outside the body, outside the female's body, means in the laboratory. The male gamete is directly transferred into female gamete. The male gamete is transferred into female gamete. The male gamete, what is the male gamete? Sperm. What is the female gamete? Ovum. The male gamete is transferred into female gamete directly injected. The male gamete injected into the female. Such technique is called. So that is called what? Such technique is called. So whenever sperms are directly injected into ovas, directly injected into female eggs, that type of the technique is called intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. So what options given? IUI, IUT, ICSI, GIFT. So what is answer? ICSI is the answer. ICSI, right? Okay, next one. Question number 3. The Test Tube Baby program employs which one of the following techniques? The Test Tube Baby program is nothing but IVF, in vitro fertilization. The Test Tube Baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Is this Test Tube Baby program? No, it's not Test Tube Baby program. It is in vivo. And intrauterine insemination. Intrauterine insemination means what? Intrauterine insemination. Directly sperms are directly injected into the region of, introduced into the region of uterus of the female. No. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. This is also in vivo. Fertilization takes place inside the what? Inside the fallopian tubes. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. So where the zygote is formed? Zygote is formed outside of the female's body, means in the laboratory only. So zygote formation takes place outside of the female's body in vitro condition. So GIFT is one of the test tube baby program, in vitro fertilization program, right? So what is answer? GIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer, is one of the IVF technique, test tube baby program. Clear? Right. Next question. Question number 4. Incidence of STIs is very high among the individuals of age group. The sexually transmitted infection is very high among the individuals of age group 8 to 12 years, 15 to 24 years, 35 to 45 years, 55 to 65 years. So who are majorly attacked by, so majorly infected by STIs. So that is sexually transmitted infection. Which age group? So teenagers, young people, 15 to 24 years age group persons are majorly attacked by the STIs, sexually transmitted infections. Next question. Question number 5. In which of the following techniques under assisted reproductive technologies arts will not involve in vitro fertilization? In which of the following techniques under assisted reproductive technologies art will not involve in vitro fertilization? Okay, so these techniques, in which type of the art methods, some of the art methods are given in this. Which one is not related to in vitro fertilization? In vitro, not related to in vitro fertilization means in vivo. So what is in vivo? So first one, test tube baby program, first option. Test tube baby program is nothing but IVF. So in vitro, no. GIFT. So GIFT means what? Zygote intrafallopian transfer. So that is also in vitro. The third one, ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So that is also sperm, inside the sperm directly, the inside the ova directly sperm is injected and it is transferred. Fertilization takes place outside the body, in vitro. And GIFT, sperms and ovas along with ovas transfers into ovas along with sperm transfer into directly to the female fallopian tube. So the fertilization occurs where? Inside the fallopian tube, right? So that is in vivo. So GIFT is the in vivo. So it is not in vitro. So what is option? Option number 4. Next one. Which one of the following statements is correct with reference to a test tube baby? Which one of the following statements is correct with reference to a test tube baby? Test tube baby, IVF. So which of the one of the statement is correct regarding about test tube baby? So go through the options. A prematurely born baby reared in an incubator. A prematurely born baby reared in an incubator. So wrong. In vitro fertilization and transfer of an embryo into mother's uterus. In vitro fertilization and transfer of embryo into mother's uterus. Okay, next one. In vitro fertilization and development of the embryo in a large test tube with nutrients. Inside the test tube, the fertilization occurs and development inside the embryo, inside the test tube only. So wrong. In vitro fertilization and development of embryo in a laboratory dish. In vivo fertilization and development of embryo in a laboratory dish, not in vivo, that is in vitro. So go through the second option. In vitro fertilization and transfer of embryo into mother's uterus, right? So fertilization is in vitro and embryo is transfers into where? Embryo transfers into mother's uterus. So go through the option number 2. Next question. Which of the following